So we're at the Homeland Security and Policing section of Intersec 2019, close to 100 exhibitors in this particular section, and we're at the stand now of Whelen, American manufacturer of lights and sirens for government authorities, essentially. And I'm with Greg Scott, the International Sales Director of Whelen. Thank you very much for joining us, Greg. First of all, if you could just give us an overview of Whelen and your activities in the Middle East region.
Yeah, sure. We're a third-generation family-run business based out of Chester, Connecticut in the States. We have another facility in New Hampshire. We have roughly 1 million square feet of manufacturing on our two facilities and 1,600 employees. What we do here in the Middle East is we sell all of our products through distribution. Here in Dubai, we've got a distributor that's been with us somewhere 8-9 years. So obviously we're here to support him and our great market share in the Emirates, but also the entire Middle East. So we actually have people here at our booth who are from other countries that distribute our products.
All right, and you've been exhibiting at Intersec for a number of years now, and of course back again in 2019. With regards to your activities in this region, how important is the show to that end?
It's extremely important because not only are we, again, supporting our distribution that we currently have, but also we're finding new distributors all around the Middle East that do come to this show. We find this show brings in people from all over the area, and while we are strong in the Middle East, we're looking to be stronger. So we're looking for stronger players in certain markets. What's interesting in all the years we've been here is how this show has changed and evolved. I was just talking about it yesterday with a guy that I work with here, that the show now is so heavily into technology and electronics and cameras, and that you walk the show and it's just amazing how the suppliers have evolved themselves.
Obviously, we work closely, in Dubai in particular, Dubai Police, Civil Defense authorities. Is this your sort of key sort of clientele regionally?
Yeah, so the Dubai Police are a very good, very good end user of ours that we've worked with for a number of years. And what's great about the Dubai Police in particular, as well as other entities here in the Emirates, is that they're looking for cutting-edge technology. They're looking for the best. They're looking for the latest technology. So for us as a company, it's wonderful to be able to work with them because we're able to showcase our newest products and say, look at the Dubai Police. They've started using our products. Look how it's being done. And they're always looking for something new from us. So here at this show, we've actually have a couple new products that we have been able to show them already, and we look forward for them using it.
And on that note, let's have a look at what you're showcasing at Intersec 2019. So we'll just, I guess we'll go over to your, well, first of all, we'll take a look at if you can take us through this particular product here.
Yeah, so this is our newest light bar. It's a Ceridian light bar. And the neat thing about this product is that not only does this come in an all-light version of LEDs, but also we're able to do an illuminated center section. So for instance, in this application, we're showing police. We could end up putting the words Dubai Police in there if we wanted. We could put fire. We could put any kind of wording that that agency wants to use being backlit on this particular bar, as well as being able to, on this bar over here, which is again, it's a Ceridian light bar, we're able to put a speaker in the center section. This is not all that common with a lot of the lighting manufacturers. So here in the Middle East, there are certain end users that do want to put the speaker in the light bar rather than have it in the front of the grill. They feel that it portrays more noise out into the streets. So it's a bar, again, that can be all lights with nothing in the center section. You know, the speaker in the center section, or you can do an illuminated sign in the center section, whatever the end user is looking to do.
Do you get a lot of customized queries when authorities come to you and say, we want this, sort of something quite unique or something different? Do you get a lot of these kind of inquiries?
More than you know. Actually, every single inquiry we receive is unique. So we don't necessarily have standard product for our light bars. Every entity, every end user has a different configuration of their lighting. Now, they may have the same lights in their light bars or on the vehicles, but the way they run their flash patterns and the way they use those lights is completely different. Agency after agency after agency. It doesn't matter if in the Middle East, in the States, in South America, it does not matter at all.
All right. Day 2 here at Intersec 2019. What has the reaction been to your stand so far?
So it's been great. We've been in this location for the past 4 years, very close to Dubai Police. This is the first year we've actually taken all of our products off of tall display panels and actually put them on vehicles. So we usually have one vehicle in our booth. This year we are showcasing 3, and we find it a better way to show our products actually in applications rather than being on the traditional towers. So what we're seeing is the customers are coming in, or potential customers are coming in here and actually getting in the vehicle, using our sirens to turn the lights on, running them, and then looking on the vehicle, because it gives them a better idea as far as what they're going to see should they put our products on their vehicles.
You get a lot of requests and visitors, I guess, from the authorities in particular. We're talking about obviously the Middle East region, but Africa, for example, North Africa, CIS, different markets. Do you get a lot of potential queries here?
Yeah, so when I spoke to you earlier, I was talking about the Middle East, but also there are people coming here from Northern Africa, and it is a market we're looking for new distribution in. So I actually met with a couple markets yesterday from Northern Africa that are looking for lighting requirements, and the great thing is that these are potential distributors of ours that we look to be able to grow into those markets. Yeah, it's great.
Well, great. Thank you very much for your time, and we wish you the best of luck for the rest of Intersec 2019.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.